Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.